How do heart murmurs show up? Now, patients often refer to a paediatric cardiologist or a baby heart doctor for assessment after the finding of a heart murmur, for example in a baby or a child. Many doctors, including GPs, general practitioners, paediatricians, often feel uncomfortable about describing a murmur as innocent until you've had a formal paediatric cardiac review. This is because they're concerned that there may be an underlying heart problem and they don't want to miss it. An experienced paediatric cardiologist can often distinguish an innocent murmur from an abnormal murmur just by listening for specific acoustic characteristics. But this can still be hard. A heart scan, called an echocardiogram, is usually performed by the paediatric cardiologist. This helps the cardiologist confirm that the heart structure and function is normal.